Happy morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are all doing awesome. I am Shravanti Murari, working as School Assistant English, ZPHS, Palasamudram, Anantapur district. I am back with another session. We have discussed about style sheet and face sheet of Unit 1, Personality Development of 10th class. Now, let us move into the A reading passage. Attitude is altitude. Do you know the meaning of attitude? Attitude means a feeling or opinion about positive state of mind. It is differ from person to person. Do you know the meaning of altitude? Altitude means highest degree. Altitude means the positive attitude of anyone can take anyone the highest of this world. Your positive attitude is very important towards your goal, aim, and for life achievement. Now I am going to read the paragraph. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Let us discuss about this paragraph. Imagine having no arms to stretch. How do you feel if you don't have arms when you wake up early in the morning at the time of stretching yourself? Can you wake up without stretching yourself? Certainly not. Suppose something makes you to feel itching. What would you do? Don't you scratch yourself? If you don't have arms, how do you scratch yourself? Don't you feel inconvenient? If you don't have arms, how could you wrap your arms around your loved ones like your sister, brother, parents, and someone else? Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk, to run, to bicycle or skateboard, or to get you from point A to point B. When you come to school or go back home from school, don't you kick the pebbles? If you don't have legs, how could you kick? To walk, to run, to bicycle, joyfully to roam here and there, what do you need? Yes, you need legs. If you don't have limbs, how could you feel? It is scary to think not to have arms and legs. Now we are going to discuss about a world-renowned successful person named Nick who doesn't have limbs. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. The brave 26-year-old who is mainly a torso plays football and golf, swims and surfs despite having no limbs. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enable him to kick. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. What does Nick have? A small foot. Where does Nick have a small foot? Nick has a small foot on his left hip. What does help him balance and enable him to kick? Good, a small foot. What does he use a small foot for? To type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. Here, what does it refer to? It refers to a small foot on his left hip. What did Nick joke? Nick joked that he called it his chicken drumstick. He compared his small foot with chicken drumstick. It is not eatable, as it is small in size and looks like a drumstick. Actually, it is not at all a drumstick. Where was he born? He was born in Melbourne in Australia. Where does he live now? Now he lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. It means he doesn't have life without it. He cannot survive himself without it. It is his life. What is it refers to here? It is a small foot on his left hip. Today, completely these sentences show us the significance of a small foot. God gave him life without limbs, but helped him by giving a small foot. Hope you understand the session. Thank you. Next class will be soon. Bye.